When I was sent over to Fiji we were going to move the sugar industry up into the hills, and the object was to get this, to use the American system of soil conservation.
Yeah.
That's contour banks, absorption banks, diversion banks, all that sort of thing, leading to grass waterways or leading to dams. And that was the accepted system of soil conservation. Well, when I got to Fiji, where we were going to do this for the sugar company, I realised that here we are in the tropics, and this isn't 600 to 800 millimetres rainfall. This is over 2,000 millimetres rainfall. How are these contour banks going to withstand the tremendous the heavy rainfalls and the heavy rainfall episodes we get in the tropics? They won't be able to do it. And we had the heavy rain came in, and the heavy rain, thank God, blew those banks away, just wiped them out and blew the whole system away. And, the company said, well, that's it, that's brilliant, that didn't do any good at all. And, a lot of people would say, well, that's the system you use, what do you suggest we do now? They said, we're not interested in what system you use or what system is taught. What we've asked you to do is stopping erosion, controlling runoff, so find some way of doing it. So what I thought if we could only find a vegetative system that would take over from those banks, we'd be better off using that. So what I did was I planted about 20 different plants as vegetative hedges to see what effect they would have, and vetiver grass just happened to be one of them. And then we had this massive storm of 500 millimetres fell in 3 hours, and the only plant that withstood it was vetiver grass. And I thought, well, that's it. It selected itself, and we never looked back. We used vetiver grass from then on. All our vetiver grass in Fiji was planted from slip. We covered 400,000 acres of sugar fields with vetiver hedges, and we didn't get any erosion. We didn't have any problems. And being this is rain-fed sugar, we had good yields, good sugar.